Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are good. Welcome back to my channel, your hairstyle guide. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel. Today I have brought for you very beautiful crochet hairstyle ideas. Crochet hairstyles are very famous nowadays. In this video you can learn how to crochet your hair. Crochet hair lasts between 4 to 6 weeks. It can protect your natural hair. So you can decide any one of this design. Thank you so much. Watch the complete video and let me know in the comments how do you like my video. Thank you so much. Enjoy the video.